3.5, spheres. So we're going to learn to do area and volume of a sphere. So the outside and the inside. So, what's special about a sphere? Well, there are no bases. The circumference refers to the distance around the biggest part of the sphere. And the radius is the distance from the center of the sphere to an outside edge. So, center of the sphere to an outside edge. Now, we have some formulas again, of course. Lateral area. Well, there is none, because there are no sides. There is just surface area, which is 4 pi r squared. Okay? Now, if you can remember, pi r squared is the area of a circle, and then you just multiply by 4. And volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. But another way to write that is four pi r cubed over 3. Just for input into your calculator. So you can cube the radius, times by pi, times by 4, then divide by 3. It's the same thing, but just when you're entering your calculator, it might be a little easier. And remember, r is the radius. So, find the area and volume of a sphere with a radius of 2. So, and it's the surface area, obviously. So, surface area, again, is 4 times 3.14 times the radius squared. So, 2 squared is 4, times 4 is 16, 16 times 3.14, and we end up with 50.24 just units squared. And now volume, remember, is 4 pi r cubed over 3. I don't know why I just wrote it like that. It says putting the numbers in. Let's try that again. 4, that's not 4, that's a 3. 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So this time 2 cubed is 8, times 4 is 32. 32 times 3.14 divided by 3 is 33.49 units cubed. Okay, so 4 pi r squared for the surface area, and 4 pi r cubed divided by 3 for the volume. Okay, surface area of a sphere is 16 pi. Find the diameter and the volume. Okay, well, for one thing, it's working backwards. So let's write surface area as a formula. 4 pi r squared. And what they're saying here is, we know the surface area is 16 pi. Okay, so we're trying to get solve for r. That will help us find our diameter. So we need to get r by itself. So we're going to divide by 4 pi, both sides. Well, that cancels there. And 16 divided by 4 is 4, equals r squared. So now, to find r, we square root both sides, and r is 2, which means the diameter is 4, because the diameter is twice the radius. Now, we should find the volume. That, again, we just go back to our formula. 4 pi, we know the radius is 2, cubed over 3. Well, we have no work do because it's the same radius. So that's 33.49 units cubed. Okay, 2 more and we are finished. The area of a sphere is 256 pi. Find the volume. So we need to find the radius to find the volume. So again, we know the surface area is 256 pi. And that's equal to 4 pi r squared. Now we don't turn pi into 3.14 because we're just going to divide by it and get rid of it. Again, that cancels over here, leaving us 256 divided by 4, 64, equals r squared. The square root, and we get r is 8. Now, we go to our volume formula. Volume equals 4 times pi times r, which is 8, cubed, divided by 3. So we do 8 to the third power times 4 times 3.14, and then divide by 3. And what we get is 2143.57 units cubed. Okay, Betty has made 2 wax candles, one in the shape of a sphere with a radius of 5, and another in the shape of a cylinder with a radius of 5 and a height of 6. Which candle required more wax? So more wax means the solid shape, which means you're trying to find the value of each. Okay? So I'm just going to go into a new page here, just because there's not a lot of room. You can write it in the bottom of your page if you want. Okay, so first we do the sphere. And we're going to do the volume of the sphere. And we know the radius is 5. So that's 4 times 3.14 radius cubed over 3. So 5 cubed is 125. Times 4 is 500. Times 3.14 divided by 3 is 523.3 repeating. And that was centimeters. Centimeters cubed. Okay? And now we're going to do our cylinder. And our cylinder has a radius of 5 and a height of 6. And remember, volume is pi r squared h for a cylinder. So that's 3.14 times 5 squared times the height, which is 6. So that's 5 squared is 25. Times 6 is 150. Times 3.14 is 471 units cubed. So the sphere needed more wax than the cylinder. And that's it.